Okay.
Okay,
Figure out
hello.
something.
Hello, thank you for meeting with me today. I'm basically just going to have you do a couple of tasks for this app that I'm building for a robot build or whatever. Let's see. So I pasted a couple of things in chat. Some of the basic navigation is the microphone button in the center. I know it's kind of small. We kind of made it that way, or I kind of made it that way, so it's not like in the way and everything. There's also a settings button off to the lower right that can show another page and everything. Let's see. So, like with most machines, of course, you want to introduce yourself. Let's see. In fact, I actually didn't get your name. What is your name?
My name's Chance.
Well, it's nice to meet you. Let's see. So now, if you want to go ahead and say, I guess, hello. So you can go ahead and click on that button right there, the microphone button, and you can say hello.
Hello.
Let's see. Did it ask you what your name? What your name is? I can't hear it over the recording. It won't let me hear it if it's asking or not.
It it did, but like another little box didn't appear.
Let's see. You have to press it again in order to say your name or however.
My name is Chance.
Sometimes that is one thing I've been noticing that's been doing
Correct.
lately. It's been sometimes it does that, sometimes it doesn't for some reason. I am still working on that. It likes to do that sometimes. But anyway, now you can go ahead and ask. You want to make sure it's like, hey, what's my name? So I guess you can go ahead and ask what your name is.
What is my name? Said James. That's not an issue with it. That's just an issue
Sometimes because it does.
with speech recognition AI.
So what it is that since it does use a lot of Google's dependencies on it, it uses Google's dictionary and everything. And so it kind of goes through it, it matches up words. So if it hears something that sounds like that, it's like, oh, okay, that's what you are.
Try.
Yeah.
Try.
So
Okay.
anyway, let's see. There is another task down there if you would like to do it,
Tell
you can
me,
go and do it.
tell me about the hardware.
Let's
Because I'm
see.
like stuttering.
Did it tell you or?
Tell me about the hardware.
Let's see. If it's having an issue, try saying the word directly.
Hardware.
Current device SM510.
Oh, okay, I can hear it. Let's see. I noticed one thing. It's seeming like it's
It,
in a female
it
voice.
weirdly, it is.
Yeah.
But it just gave me my serial number.
Oh. Yes. So that is one of the programs or one of the codes I put in is that it basically it gets the device information basically. Let's see. There's another task down there if you want to try. Just any of those you can try them.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Let's
That's not
see.
going to be
So
available
you
on
will
Android.
get that error, and that error comes from if that specific app isn't installed on your device. So, for example, if you don't have that app on your device, then you won't be able to open that. Let's
No,
see.
I
Actually, in
find why
fact,
it's not.
yeah, I can find
Because
something
this is a
else.
Samsung, and it just comes with Samsung Internet.
Yeah, let's see. I can put in a couple more tasks for
Open
you.
Chrome.
Opening Chrome.
Yeah, it works. It works.
It works. There's some. There's
What
some.
time is it?
Yeah.
The time is 13:59 p.m.
Okay. Let's see. Now, say you want to see
Buddy,
what day it is. I guess.
uh, when you're doing military time, you don't include the PM.
Listen.
What day is it?
The day is today.
The day is today. What? What day is it?
The day is today.
Okay, there is something going wrong.
The day is today.
Okay, I'm about to stop record. I'm about to stop recording because it is not supposed to be doing
Shut
that.
down. It did that one right.
Okay, so yeah,
What a
I'm
What
about
a user test.
to. We're gonna have to try this again because I'm gonna have to go through. I don't know what it's doing.
I mean, that's the test.
No, it's not.
That's the test.
Okay, it's still recording.
Okay?
Okay.
We can talk about it.
I mean, I mean, there's other stuff I can have you try as well. I mean, there's other stuff you
Okay.
can try. If you want to just kind of open them back up, I guess. It's kind of awkward because it was like, hey, and I was like, oh no. Let's see. You can open command menu if you like. This just takes you right to my, right to my page.
Look at that. Look at that art.
Yes, it has some ASCII art in it. ASCII. It's one of those.
ASCII.
Okay. Let's see. Another thing you can do is that, let's see. We can actually try this one. So
I can have it tell me a joke.
yeah, go ahead and let's try that one.
Tell me a joke.
You have sometimes with some of them you have to say it a specific way.
Joke.
You have to say, tell your fans a joke. Yeah.
Tell your fans a joke.
Did you hear about the toddler who got arrested? He was not wanting to take a nap, so he was brought up on resisting arrest.
Don't laugh at that one. That one was so bad. Tell your fans a joke.
I had a date with a magician last night. I tried to text him back today. He disappeared.
Let's see if you want
You're laughing at all the bad jokes.
Yes, I like dad jokes a lot. It's painful, I know. Let's see. There's another thing you can try. Oh, you can just kind of go through there as well and try it. That is kind of the weird thing is that when it came to making task, it's right there. It's right there basically. So far I can see that we ran into a few problems. One being with the day. I don't know why it did that. Another being with the, it must be with the string I have.
Sing a song.
Now, in order to cancel out of this, you can simply do the command shutdown or however.
I'm perfectly okay with just listening to this.
Okay. This is going to be a very awkward user test.
Stop. That didn't work.
Oh, you can do shutdown. Shutdown can get you out of it.
Shut down. That's the whole thing.
Okay, good. Let's see.
No, it just skips to the Paul.
Yes, it does that whenever yes, it does that. That's whenever it shuts down basically. I have that to basically
Like
cue.
cartoons.
Like for example, if you notice
Like
how
that.
is it telling you the message?
It's not telling me a message. Is this TV static?
Yes.
Or is this a hidden picture?
And
There's
it
definitely a
crashes.
hidden picture in that TV static.
You did wait, you didn't see the hidden picture.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Let's
I was just making sure.
Okay. Let's see. For example, you can ask, how old am I?
How old am I?
You are no years old.
Let's see. In this one,
I am no years old.
you have to say
when I was a summer child.
you have to say I am blank years old or whatever.
I'm 21 years old.
Okay, now ask it.
How old am I?
You are 21 years old.
21.
Now, I noticed, I don't know why it does that. It has a bit of an accent issue sometimes. Let's see. You can do, yeah, you can just kind of look through there and do any of them that you want.
Who's a good boy? That's adorable.
Did it bark?
Where's Jimmy?
Did I program that one in there? Oh.
It was in the documentation, but no, you didn't.
Huh. Weird. Oh, that's right, because I took it out. Let's see, I have to go ahead and update that because I did take that out now.
Yeah, options.
Yeah, I did take that out.
Options.
Make new program.
Make new program. What?
You can ask it again if you would like.
Options.
Finish video game.
Oh, that's what it is.
Different.
Options. But maybe you should rename that to to-do list, and you can add things to the to-do list.
Yeah, I should probably, because it's just some different options that
Also, I don't know what the date is or the time is.
You can,
but like potentially, I don't know how this works on like a technical level.
Yeah.
But I'm guessing is that you get a string from the user input, like voice.
Yeah, basically the way that it works, it's interesting that you asked that. The way that it basically works
kind of like comes with a function, at least in C++, that you can find things.
Yeah.
So if you're having issues with certain commands being funky in like the wording, you can always use like, if there's like this general keyword mentioned.
Yeah. And that's the way that it basically works. That's how whenever you said hardware, like, for example, those certain words, if you look at the guide, I have them where you have to say those certain words the way that they are, because it's very, very picky.
Build version.
Say implemented in, you can say implemented in, like, whatever month or whatever you want to say.
Implemented in October. Saving October. I didn't know it was in peril.
Yes. Now you can ask again.
Build version.
Current build version in contrast to initial prototype October.
So see, that's how it kind of works, is that it takes like the last word for some of them, and for others it takes like the last two, so on and so forth. The one for day, I think what it is that I added the word the in there. So I think
what
that's
day is it?
Yeah, and that's what it is. It's because I added the word the, or I might have mistyped something in there. So I think that might be why it's doing that one specifically. Let's see. Just if there's any like other like last ones you want to do real quick so we can end this.
Oh, this is the last one?
I mean, if you want to, I mean, I'm leaving it recording because I mean.
Sing us off.
See, I'm gonna go ahead and.
You can stop.
Let's see. If there's anything else you want to do, I mean, like you just want to
No,
go through.
that's pretty much it.
There's more.
It's definitely. There's more.
Let's see. Yeah, there's more. You can ask it how it's feeling. You can ask different things like that.
Shut down.
Let's see.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? You lied to me.
No, it's a certain way because sometimes it gets. I think you have to say, "How are you feeling today?" Rather.
How are you feeling today?
That's.
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling like I am tired.
Mood.
Oh man.
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling like I am good. How about you?
I know that is one thing I did want to add.
Why does that one say "How about you" but not tired?
I don't know. Honestly.
You mean you don't know? You're the one.
Because I didn't
know.
Because I had like an idea for it. I wanted to do something else with it, but then I discarded it, so I forgot to take that part out. So as you can see, there are a lot of commands that are either that have something that was supposed to happen but didn't. So there is that, hence why we're doing a user test. Let's see. Yeah. You can ask it what its name is, or you can say, what is your name, or anything like that.
What is your name?
What do you want to name me?
You don't have a name?
Yeah, you can ask it. You can actually make it whatever name.
Your name is name.
What do you want to name me?
You have to say,
I tried to name it name.
You have to say, I will call you, and then blank.
I will call you name.
Is that what you desire to call my name?
Okay, now you can say... Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Name.
You can't actually break it.
It's my name.
If I recall Name.
You said I can't break it?
I think you broke it when you asked it what day it is.
Oh wait, I can break it, trust me.
Go ahead.
Play a song. Sing a song.
Yeah. You know, since
Sing
you...
a song. Sing a song. Sing a song. Sing a song.
Hey.
It'll pass eventually. Sing a song. Sing a song.
Now for the user test, you can see that the user is currently trying to break it. Yeah.
Play dead. Play dead. Tell me a joke. Tell your
Since
fans a joke.
one thing I'm noticing is that since your wording, some of the wording is different, I can tell that's why I should probably change it. I think that's what I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change it from tell your fans to tell me a joke, and I'm gonna change it, to so what was the other one you guys said? Because you guys said, tell me a joke. That sounds better. This is also a test to see what sounds more natural to say.
Apparently that stops the music.
Yeah, because this one crashes. It actually, what it does is that it crashes it in a weird way. It doesn't basically clean and dispose of all of its assets. It just hard crashes it. Originally that used to turn because it's a thing. Because I've watched that movie.
Play dead, not die.
Yes. But it's because I watched the movie too much, and anyway.
They explode.
Don't you wish? No, he actually says, play dead. Let's see. I don't know if there's anything else you want to do or not. You can try to, I don't think I have this one in here, but you can try. Yeah, you can try to open GitHub, I think.
Open GitHub.
I took that one out, I think. I took that one out. Let's see. So I see a couple things I need to do. First, I'm going to make some of those commands I noticed you phrased different. I'm going to change those into that wording because that's more natural. I'm also going to figure out what that, what day is it thing is going on. I'm going to figure that out. Let's see. I'm also going to see if, it looks like you can't crash it with a song, so that's good to know. Because originally it did used to crash with the song. For the name thing, I think what it is because that other command for age is still in there. So I think that may be stopping that, maybe interrupting it. So I'm going to do that. Let's see. I'm going to take away, I'm also going to update that command list as well. Because I noticed some of the commands in there are ones I took away. I'm also, I may make a case for that how about you, or I may just take that one out. And I think that's what I'm going to change so far. At least for this version. The next version I will release will be once I have the robot actually moving and everything. Whenever that happens. But
you realize that everything is due by the end of next week?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really not a lot to go. To be honest, because I already have this basically where it's at.
You have it wired, but that's only half of it.
Yeah, well, the actual robot part, because remember, this class is focusing on the app, not the robot part, really. But...
There's the whole moving part.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, that's just, that part is actually just the personal, part, or however, let me go ahead and close this out.